how to check if your iPhone has been hacked and how to remove hacks. So let's get started. Firstly, in order to tell if your iPhone is hacked, your phone feels hotter than normal. If you have noticed that your phone is getting hotter than normal and you have not changed how you use your phone, this could indicate that there are unauthorized processes running in the background initiated by a hacker. Secondly, your phone's battery runs out much quicker than it used to. If you are using your phone like normal and you realize the battery is dying faster than before, this could also indicate that there are background processes going on that you did not initiate. Thirdly, your phone is using more data than it usually does. In your iPhone settings under cellular, you can check how much data your phone has used during your current billing period. If this number is more higher than normal or you have noticed a huge spike in your cell phone bill, hackers could be using your iPhone's data without your knowledge. Then, there are apps on your iPhone that you did not install. If you notice an app on your phone that you did not install, this could have been placed there by a hacker. This app may not appear on your home screen, so make sure to check all of them in the app installed on your phone in your app library. The other one is the camera or microphone on your phone turn on by themselves. Some hackers may try to use your phone camera or microphone to try and steal information from you. If you notice the camera or microphone on your iPhone turn on without you initiating it, this could mean a hacker has gotten into your phone. On the top of your phone screen, a colored dot will appear if the camera or microphone are in use. A green dot means an app is using the camera and an orange dot means an app is using the microphones. So make sure to check it. The other one is messages are being sent from a phone that you did not send. If your contacts let you know that you have been sending strange messages, this could be the work of a hacker. You can also check your text messages to see if there are messages that your phone has sent that you don't recall sending. Now, how to fix it? Getting hacked can be a scary experience, but there are a number of ways you can push the hacker out of your phone. So first, remain calm and open the settings. Now, inside the settings, simply scroll down and tap on the general option available there. Then simply tap on the software update and update your phones and apps. Phone updates can be tedious, but keeping your phone and apps up to date ensures the newest safety measures are installed on your devices as well. Updating your phone and apps can fix security breaches that hackers use to get into your device. Simply tap on the Update Now option available there and update to the latest version of iOS. Then simply go back to the General again and scroll down and tap on the Transfer or Reset iPhone option available there. After that, tap on the Reset and tap on Reset All Settings. Resetting your phone is a last resort, but you have tried the other methods listed and your phone is still showing signs of being hacked. This is a surefire way to get a hacker out of your phone. So, that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.